Number 1. We can deliver it this evening. Number 2. We discussed the plan with him. Number 3. We found the front door locked. Number 4. We played basketball yesterday. Number 5. We spent the whole day fishing. Number 6. We wear uniforms at our school. Number 7. We were just talking about you. Number 8. We are not going to get married. Number 9. What do you see in the picture? Number 10. What do you think you are doing? Number 11. What do you want to talk about? Number 12. What happened to your daughter? Number 13. What kind of fruit do you want? Number 14. What made you change your mind? Number 15. What shall I do with the knife? Number 16. What they told you is not true. Number 17. What time did you arrive there? Number 18. What time does the movie start? Number 19. What would you advise me to do? Number 20. When does the restaurant close? Number 21. Where can we make a phone call? Number 22. Where else are you going to go? Number 23. Where is the nearest drugstore? Number 24. Which is heavier, lead or God? Number 25. Who will take care of the baby? Number 26. Who's the boss of this company? Number 27. Why are you wearing that scarf? Number 28. Why did you keep that a secret? Number 29. Why did you want to talk to me? Number 30. Why didn't you call me earlier? Number 31. Why do you want to leave today? Number 32. Why don't we do that right now? Number 33. Why were you late this morning? Number 34. Will you be home for Christmas? Number 35. Will you take your hand off me? Number 36. Would you please pay attention? Number 37. Yeast will make the dough rise. Number 38. Yes, she will probably come home.